Today I am going to show you how I get organized by placing all of this mess on a French cleat system on this wall. Now let's get into the video.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So first things first, let's clear up the mess behind me, move the workbench over so we have access to the full wall.
But before that, we need to have a quick tidy session. So what tends to happen is when I'm assembling a project on my workbench, I make every bit of mess around me, but because I'm so focused in completing my project and being excited over that, then I realize the mess I created. But rather than tidying, I get excited to start my next project. Hope you guys liked my action movie style slow motion. That was my genius attempt to make a makeshift tripod. It did good for a while, but decided I needed to upgrade to an actual tripod because that thing was heavy. Now I'm just taking out odd bits of nails and screws from the wall where I'm going to install the French cleat system. So the desk you see that I'm clearing up, I'm also going to take that out to have more space to work around my workbench. That thing was just left there by the previous owners, and it's a good desk. Might try sell it, might not, might just get rid of it, let's see, but I don't see I could have any use for it. So these are my 5 clamps that you see, and I will definitely be making a holder for this, for the French cleat system in this video, so keep watching to see how I make this. Now get ready for my magic trick. If only life was that easy. So I am making this whole French cleat system out of reclaimed pallet wood that I managed to source. Now I just picked out 3 pieces and then I had another 4th piece, realizing I've got more space. You'll see that soon. And I started to sand them all down to get rid of any rough bumps, chips, and took out all the screws. Now I'm adjusting my table saw to 45 degrees to make the angled cuts for the French cleat system. I've sized up the length and now I'm doing a quick magic trick to attach this. Now it's attached, and now I've made a makeshift holder just to see how it fits. So I was very happy with the flush fit. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach the rest of the slats right on top. Now I am using a spacer in between each of the slats to get the exact same distance for each one. So this started to get tiring, so I decided to do my magic trick again. The workshop started to look clean already. I was really impressed the way it looked on the wall, and also I would be tidying up the wires on the top that you see. I'll be tucking them in, and now I am beginning to make my first holder, which is for my clamps. So this tool holder is as easy as making 45-degree angled cuts on scrap pieces of wood, all to the same dimensions, and then just spacing them out exactly to the width of your clamps. As you can see, so I've measured them and then it just about fits. I realized I didn't have that many clamps, so I decided to cut down the board to have just enough for the amount of clamps that I have. So maybe in the future I will add more or make it longer to fit more clamps. Now I'm just adding the cleat on the back and let's see how it fits. Perfect. I was really happy with the way this tool holder came out, especially the neatness and the organization it's bringing to the workshop. I'm starting to feel like a magician in this project. I've added spines at the back to compensate for the bent wall and give it a strong, firm fit. I am so excited to make more of these tool holders so I can put all of the mess that I've created on my workbench on this wall. So there'll be a separate video where I make different varying tool holders to add to my collection, which will be uploaded soon. So to not miss that, remember to subscribe. Remember to hit that like button, and thank you for watching.